another tube style battery. Hey vapors, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Smoke or Smok Stick X8 kit. Alright guys, yes, today's video is all about the Smoke or Smok Stick X8 kit. This is a tube style beginner type mod, but it's a lot bigger, has a lot bigger battery than those on the market right now. This is like the step up from the Smoke Vape Pen 22, which I gave to my mom to use and she loved, and that helped her stick with vaping. But this is like the next big version, the better, bigger version of that. So let's dive down close. I'll show you what comes in the kit and a little bit more about this device.
Alright, here is the package, the Smoke Stick X8. There it is in red. Do not eat that. Here is the TiaVapes Baby sub-ohm tank, which I'm sure everybody knows about already, but if you do not, I do have a video for it, but I'll run through it real quick. It is a 24.5 millimeter diameter, and it has the hinge and lock top fill system. So you press down and swivel to open and fill it, and you fill in that fill port, avoiding the center post, and then you swivel back and push down to lock it back in place. It does have top airflow slots on either side that are adjustable and on a stopper. This tank holds 4 mils of e-liquid, and it is the X-Baby coil family. Installed, you see we have the M2, which is a 0.25 ohm coil, good between 30 and 50 watts. There is a 510 pin on the bottom and an 8.5 millimeter Delrin drip tip at the top. Stainless steel and glass construction. And to change the coil, just like every other tank, you spin off the base and screw out the coil. The extra coil included is a 0.13 ohm coil. You can see that it's good between 30 and 70 watts. Performs its best. It's 45 to 60 watts. And underneath that you have the typical inclusions: a micro USB to USB charge cord, extra O-rings, a vape band, the quality control card, and the Stick V8 kit user's manual. So here's the Stick X8. It has a built-in 3000 milliamp hour battery that can be charged through this port, and there is an indicator light there as well. The output voltage is 3.4 to 4.2. This does have a battery light indicator behind the fire button. I turned off the lighting to show you that there is a light indicator behind the fire button. You just couldn't see it with the bright light. 5 clicks turns it on. This is a durable alloy construction with stainless steel 510 threading and a 24 karat gold plated spring loaded connection there. The Stick X8 is 24.4 millimeters in diameter and 85 millimeters in length. I'm going to fill up my tank once again with Hoot Nut by Bonsai Vapors. It's such a good banana nut bread vape. It's part of their fall line. You can use my code TIA20 for 20% off any e-liquid on Bonsai Vapors website. You're welcome. Alright, I got my e-liquid filled up in there. Yes, the Stick X8 kit. You want a vape? Do you want a vape?
And alright guys, camera's always blurry, it's just not kind of keeping up with that. Anyways, that is the X8, Stick X8, excuse me. These names, they're getting confusing. X-Baby, X8 Stick, Stick X8, Smoke, Smok, whatever. Anyways, you can get this kit for $36.95. I will leave a link below to where you can get it with free shipping. If you've tried this, let me know down in the comments below what you think of it. I really want to give it to my mom to try, but I just gave her a newer stick battery for her to try as well. And this one I think might be a little bit too big for my mom's taste, but we'll see. I'm gonna have my mom come back and give me like this update on all the different stick type batteries I've let her use in the last couple months that she's quit smoking in the last 6 months. But this thing, I've done a video for the X-Baby, I believe. It's just like any of the TFV line of tanks. It's very force-feedy. You get a ton of clouds. This is what that tank line is known for, is the massive clouds and massive flavor. Clouds, bitch. It's too much vapor for me. So a good beginner setup, or even an on the go for somebody who wants a bigger battery for something that's more like compact and on the go for like in a purse or in a pocket. But this tank, you could literally use that on like a high wattage device and use it with any other device, but it fits perfectly with the Stick X8. Like I said, I'll leave a link below and I want to hear from you guys about it. But that's it for the video. Not much to say when it's just like a super beginner simple setup. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I also have a Patreon account where I give away monthly rewards that are vape related, so if that's something that might interest you, you can check the link below and check it all out. And one more thing before you go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please join CASAA.org and learn how you can fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.